Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is just going to be a little overview, review, whatever you want to call it, of my thoughts on this particular unit. This is a Kencove model, or Kencove brand unit, model EK9H. I think they make a couple other models in this category of unit style with this type of case. We don't get too many of these in for repair. They're pretty, okay for the money. I mean, they're a 9-joule unit, a 9-output joule unit for probably around $335, $350 for one. So not too bad of a price for kind of power you get. And I think they carry like a 2-year warranty on them. Now they do make all the parts for it, so they can be fixed. They're not a throwaway deal. So if you got one that's broken, not working right, you're welcome to send it on in here and let us take a look at it for you. Here's information right here. There are links down in the description below, but fencerfixer.com is our website, and there's information. But we do give free quotes, so if you got one, just box it up, ship it here. We'd have to take a look at it for you. It is a standard 110, 120 volt unit. So we'll plug it in here real quick, and it has these row of lights on the side here. Kind of hard to see if it's if you got it in a. These are. Yeah, it's hard to see, and the camera is not able to pick it up for some reason, but they're going all the way to the top there, flashing all of them. For some reason this camera, the frame rate or whatever, you can't have a hard time seeing it for whatever reason, but all of them are lighting up. Let's see if I change the light a little bit. Nope, it didn't help any. It kind of did. Anyway, all the lights are lighting up. But you can see on there, it tells you if your lights are all lighting up inside here, all these lights are, up in here, this range, your fence is doing pretty good. If it starts falling down in here, you need to start checking your fence. And if you're ever unsure if the issue is your fence or the unit, based on these lights, before you start chasing your tail around the fence and stuff, just turn the unit off, unhook your fence and ground from it, turn it back on. If the unit goes, if the lights stay down low, then okay, unit's got a problem. If the lights go all the way to the top again or a lot higher, then okay, my problem's in my fence somewhere dragging it down. These do have a 2 output terminals, like a low power and a full power, and the ground knobs over here. And they use actual metal bolts, like zinc or stainless steel, I don't know what the heck they're made out of, but they're not some kind of pot metal mix or copper where they'll corrode or oxidize or rust. So they use a pretty good style of bolt on there. Knobs seem to be pretty good plastic knobs on there. Yeah, I said they're about 300 as of 2022. In October of 2022, they're about 335-ish range. We don't sell them. We're not a dealer for them. We just work on this stuff. But if you're interested in one, just go to kencove.com and you can search for or just go to Google, type in Kencove EK9H, and you can buy them from them. I'll see if I can remember to put a link down below in the description so you can click on it, find one, buy one, that sort of thing. But they're pretty good. I mean, I don't know how old this unit is. There's no real date to the thing on the unit, so I don't know how physically old it is. But it just had some issues. We got it fixed up. Guy said, okay, fix it. So we fixed it, and we're going to box it up and ship it to the guy. So my thoughts on it is pretty good for the money. $335 for a 9 output joule unit, not 9 stored, 9 output joules seems to be a pretty good amount of power for the money, and seems to be pretty reliable for the most part. I think a power surge but got this one on the AC side, so that kind of thing happens no matter what a person does. Surges happen, lightning storms happen, so it's just the way it is. But yeah, I give this one a thumbs up. So if you like to order one, go to kencove.com, and they'll, I'm sure they got them in stock. They sell these things, so I'm sure they got them. EK9H, but they got other ones on there too. But anyways, we'll call it done for that. That's all I really had to say about it. Just want to give you kind of an overview on there about it, and pretty potent little unit for the money. And until next time, see you guys later on. If you got any questions, you're welcome to get hold of us. Until next time, bye-bye.